After successfully concluding his first official state visit to the USA, Prime Minister Narendra Modi departed for Egypt. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US was not about leveraging India to be a counterweight to China but to deepen ties, including defense cooperation between the largest democracies of the world, a top White House official has said. Home Minister Amit Shah will chair an all-party meeting in New Delhi today, June 24th, to discuss the situation in Manipur. India's COVID-19 infection tally rose by 55 in a day while active cases declined to 1,653 from 1,712 a day earlier, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Saturday. In SAFF Championship 2023, defending champion India will take on Nepal at the Sri Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru today.